lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So today's video is going to be a Hobby Lobby Christmas decor haul. I found so many cute things at Hobby Lobby and I wanted to show you guys. I have my box here. I did an online order. I could not help myself. There are so many cute things online. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and also follow me at my Love of Texas Home on Instagram. So let's get started with this Hobby Lobby home decor haul. The first thing I got were a couple of these cute little ribbons or banners. I say, yeah, they're banners. I don't know why I said ribbons. So this is what this one says. It says Joy to the World. And I also got the other one that says Merry Christmas. Let me show you that. I got two of these actually, the Merry Christmas ones. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with these yet, but they were $2.99 and I got them for, I believe, 75 cents or $1.50. No, I think it was $1.50. It was 50% off. So that's those. I love them. The next thing I got were some pillows. If you guys saw my previous Christmas decor haul, you guys would know I'm going pillow crazy. I love pillows. So this is the one I got. It's super simple. It just says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." Super simple, black and white. I love the quality of this. It is super plush, which I was really surprised at how plush it was. So this was $19.99. I got it for $10. The quality is very good, and it's like a very nice like little cloth type of jute material. So yeah, I like this one a lot. I have another pillow, guys. Surprise, surprise. My office, if you guys could see the mess that my office is in, oh my gosh. So this next one is $24.50 or $24.99 and I paid $12.50 and I just thought it was super duper cute. It is gorgeous. It's something different than I have normally, and that's what I loved about it, is that most of my pillows they look very similar in the plaid or saying Merry Christmas on it. But this one was different and I really liked it. It says, "And Heaven and Nature Sing." And I just thought it was adorable. So there's that. The next thing I got were these beads that I am going to put around the Christmas tree. This was $7.99. So everything in this haul was 50% off. So this was $4 and I thought they were really cute. And I also got, I got another one. So I got two of these. I also got these. They're like all over the place. I thought they were super cute and I feel like they would add a different dimension to my Christmas tree. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put. I have two Christmas trees, by the way, so I don't know which one I'm gonna put this in. This was $15 and I paid $7 for it. I love using bows in my Christmas tree. So I bought these. These were $8 and I got them for $4. I got 3 of them. The bows are a little squashed from like the trip, I guess. I need to fix them, but they're still really cute. So that's what those look like. I thought they're really cute and the plaid detail is gorgeous. So I got 3 pieces of wall art, which I thought were super cute. They actually all match. So the first one is "Oh Come Let Us Adore Him, Christ the Lord." That's what that looks like. It's $11.99. Oops, sorry. So this was $11.99 and I got it on sale for $6. The next one is "O Night Divine, When Christ Was Born." Same price. It's the same design, which I loved. That's why I feel like I could use them all in the same area. This last one is "Glory to the Newborn King." So this is what they're gonna look like. I felt like that would look so pretty. And I love the metallic gold detail on them. So I thought they were super cute. And they were all only $6. Okay, and the last thing I got was another piece of wall art. And it just says "Merry Christmas," but I just love the design. I love how simple it is and it was super cute. So that's all for this quick Hobby Lobby Christmas home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I probably will go to Hobby Lobby again because I need some more Christmas pics and stuff like that. So who knows, you guys might be seeing another Hobby Lobby Christmas decor haul. I don't know, I can't make any promises, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also follow me at my Love of Texas Home on Instagram. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.